Hello everyone, my name is Akshara and welcome back to Little Sparks. Today I will be doing an experiment to show you how to do a rainbow in a cup. So all you need for this experiment is a cup with a little bit of water in it, marker pens, pair of scissors and a tissue. So, first you take your scissors and cut the tissue paper in half. Now, you choose one of the pieces of the tissue. Now I'm just going to choose this one and keep the other one aside. So, you take your marker pen and do big dots on it. So, put it first here and then into the center. Put it first here, then over here. And keep continuing that pattern until the paper is full. Now it doesn't have to go in a straight line. It's okay if it goes not in a straight line, but it will still work. Now that I've done it, gently lift it up and put it in the water. Make sure the bottom touches the water. I'm just going to hold it here and let's see what happens. Oh, you can see the water coming up. What's happening? Look, the colors are growing. It's really cool. So, the tissue absorbs the water to help the colors grow, and you shall be seeing a rainbow. The colors are growing fast. Though as the tissue absorbs the water, it goes up and makes a rainbow. I hope it doesn't come on the other side of the tissue. It won't leak when it reaches to the end. It will just stay. So there's no worry not to keep your hand under here. That was exciting, wasn't it? I hope you liked this video. Tell me if this experiment works. I will see you on my next channel in Little Sparks. Bye bye.